Okay, just want to do a quick video on cleaning brushes. Um, there's a lot of ones online about cleaning them when they have paint on them, but not when they have stain and you know polyurethane, spar urethane, all that sort of stuff. So this one's actually not very dirty, but I was going to just show because I did want to give it a cleaning before I put some spar on there. So all you do, I just take some mineral spirits. All right, that's some spar that I'm going to be using in a minute. And just put a little bit in the cup. Basically, now when you're painting, you really don't want to get the paint all the way up into here and everything because it actually clogs it and everything. But I forgot what this piece is called, but what happens is where they connect into the wood, the paint will all get stuck in there, so you really don't want your paint to get too far up there if you can help it. With stain, it works a little bit different where you kind of want it to go up further, because as you're dragging it along, you want what's up here to slowly work its way down through the brush and spread as you keep brushing down the whatever you're doing. Okay, so basically what I'm getting at is, you want enough to clean as much as you need to clean, basically. So you need to get it so it can touch everything that has something dirty on it, basically. So I just put it in. I splash it on myself a little bit here, but it's just mineral spirits. I even clean my hands with it sometimes. Make sure your hand's pretty dry though, but it does take the paint off really easily. So I just kind of get it in there good, clean it up. Now, if you're doing paint, you really should just clean them as soon as you're done, and then dry them out and everything, and then put them away, and instead of soaking them in and everything. I don't really recommend soaking them, but it's not really killing anything. Okay, so you just dry off a little bit. So now, as you can see, really nothing's coming off there except for the paint on my hand, actually, but it's pretty clean. Okay, so now you take the brush over a garbage pail or a bucket or something. You're gonna put it in between your hands, and you're gonna, just like you were starting a fire. The faster the better. And it only takes a couple of seconds, and you can see that not only does it look dry, it's a little spread out. You kind of want to get your bristles back together and everything, but as you can see, it's pretty dry. It's not coming up wet on my hands. I usually give it a couple of minutes to air dry, but that's basically how you do it. If you're doing water, you should rinse it in water immediately, like warm water, and kind of knead through it as you're rinsing it out, and that's how you get all the paint out of it. And then once you're done rinsing it off really well till the water runs through it clear, you're going to do the same thing and spin it. And that's basically how you clean a brush.